In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out from WhatsApp application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first stop, we can open our WhatsApp application. And if we go to settings, we can notice that there is no option to log out from our WhatsApp account. The only way to do so is just to delete WhatsApp application and then download it again. But first off, I recommend you to go to chats, then chat backup. Then tap it backup now to save all your conversations, including messages and media files, to the iCloud if you are on iOS, or to the Google Drive if you are on an Android. Just wait for it to complete, and once it is done, we can close WhatsApp application. Then we need to go to the home screen, and the long press on the WhatsApp app icon. Then tap at Remove App, Delete App, and then Delete. Once the app has been deleted, go to the App Store or to the Play Market. If you are on an Android, search for WhatsApp, and then download this app on your device. Once it is downloaded, we can open up the application. Tap it Agree and Continue. And then we'll be able to log into our another WhatsApp account. If we would like to do so, just enter phone number, tap it down. Then you will be asked to restore your chat history. Just stop at Restore Chat History or at Restore, right there at the top right corner. Wait for the process to complete. Then tap at Next. Enter your name, tap it down. And after that, you will be able to use your WhatsApp application with your another account you have signed in.